So now the majority of the engine's back in. I guess, I don't know. The head's obviously got to go back on, but everything's been mounted to the block. All the brackets, everything that needs to be mounted to it. I've set the engine up to top dead centre. The diesel pump I've set to bottom dead centre, so they're both set ready to go for the head to go on, and then I can just time everything up all at once, fingers crossed. But I'm not going to film putting the cylinder head on, how to do this, how to do that, because I've already filmed this many a times already, so there's plenty of content on my channel if you haven't already subscribed and you haven't checked all my content out. I do have a lot on there. I have had the van for quite a few years and I have been doing quite a lot of work, so yeah, I'll just keep you informed, and also I'll leave some links for all the jobs that I've done in the past, like how to set the timing up on the diesel pump and all of that malarkey. I'll leave some links down below. Right, I'll update you rather than keep filming. I'll just update you in a moment. So yeah, thanks for your patience. So I've gone ahead, fitted the cylinder head, that's all on there now, that's all torqued up. Injectors are on, glow plugs are on. I think that's it really, for sort of like everything that needs to go onto the engine. You know, the starter motor's back in, alternators on, power steering's on, although the power steering does need bleeding, so we'll have to get round and doing that at some point. So yeah, all I need to do now is get the timing belts done, and then we will fit the exhaust manifold and the intake. So both belts are now on, timing belt and the diesel pump belt. They're both being fitted, timed up, torqued up. The exhaust manifold's on, turbo, all the pipes, the oil lines going in and out of the turbo, they've been connected. The exhaust clamps are on, the intake's on. I've still got to fit the EGR valve. Battery, need to put the battery on charge. Intercooler, and that's it, isn't it? Oh, and then the fluids, yeah, obviously the pipe work, yeah. I'm quite surprised. I only came out here just to do the exhaust and turbo manifold, and I've managed to get quite a few things done. Happy days. But I still got the drive shafts to fit, and it's all, I don't know, I spent all that time on the engine. It's everywhere else that needs tidying up now. Oh well, right, let's crack on. Oh, it is scorchio out here today. So hot. Right, everything's back in now. Just charging the battery. Got to have a nice fully charged battery to start it up, because got to get all the fuel through, and yeah, it might take a few turnovers to get it started. But I've got to put the oil in. I'm being a little bit precautious. Don't want to get any oil into my lovely clean engine bay. So I also done the same when I put the coolant in. I wrapped it up, done exactly the same. But also it makes sense, because I'll be able to see underneath if anything does drip, and then I will know it wasn't me pouring it that caused any dripping. Right, once this is done and the battery's charged, we'll fire her up. Right, well that's kind of like the best camera view I can get at the moment. Right, so it's all ready to start up. I've checked all the fluids underneath, nothing's been dripping down, everything's sorted. Still got a few things left to do, like the clutch has got to be bled, power steering, then obviously drive shafts, suspension. But yeah, we get that sorted. So keep an eye out just here for the exhaust, see what smoke comes out. Scary, isn't it? Okay, let's have a look. Also, I previously removed the relay 109 and turn it over. That stops all the stops it from firing up. So turning it over, so oil has been circulated already around the engine, and hopefully all the fuel lines are all bled up. So here we go. Oh, well, the engine runs, so we know that much. That's the result. Happy days. It's cutting out after like 5 seconds. So I reckon could be fuel starvation, or it could be the wiring, because there's also a beeping in the dash. So I think it's electrical. Right, well, Matt's on his way round, JVS Auto Electrical, so I'll get him to have a look at that in a bit when he gets here. So for the time being, I'm going to end it here, and the next time you join me, I'm going to get all the front end back up, well, all the drive shaft back in, the clutch bled, power steering, and we'll be away. Right, until next time, thanks for watching, take care, stay safe.